You ready for cooking?
You gonna cook?
Cooking with Carter? Come on, I need help.
Have fun.
I need this through the strainer. Yep. Here you go, buddy. Dump in there. Put it in the sink. Put this in the sink. All right, now shake it. Go. Can you shake the handle? Ready, watch. Snow.
I like snow.
You like snow?
Yeah, a ball.
You want to put it in the bowl next?
Yeah. This
What are we cooking?
is sugar.
We making candy. That's sugar, that's right.
Next,
What's next?
eggs.
No eggs in this recipe.
I want to see. Oh no.
Here, you tell me, you read it. What's next?
Next,
What's next?
eggs.
No eggs? It says beat sugar with peanut butter, vanilla, and salt with an electric mixer. Okay, so next, salt. Put salt in. Dump it in. All of it. Put in the sink. Put it in. Tap, 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 tap. Woo! What are we making today? We're making a candy called Buckeyes. Can you say that?
Buckeyes.
That's right. Because you know what today is?
Receiver.
Nope. It's game day.
Today.
Game day. What do we say on game day? Go.
Go Bucks.
That's right. Woohoo!
Now cheese.
What, cheese? No, that's not cheese. That's butter.
Butter.
Yep.
Pan. Daddy. Pan. Pan. Daddy.
You need one more thing for this. You know what?
Cheese.
It looks like cheese, but it's called butter.
But
Butter.
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah.
High five.
Nice.
Nice. It's turning into water. It's getting to be a liquid, yes.
I want a three. Oh, way back there.
Okay.
What? And the wild. Next.
That's it.
That's it. What? What that one?